Main ballast tanks are purged. The flight deck is just above sea level. Understood. Team A, secure lines on the starboard side. Carrier is positioned. Commence gates closing.
Copy that. Gates closing now. All right, start the rig. Pressure's looking good. Commence cleaning.
Check the schematic for this section here, and it's worse than expected. Okay, I see the pressure specs now.
Look at the data visualization on Sector 4. The corrosion levels are higher than expected. I see it. Rerunning the structural integrity check now.
We need to replace this entire section here. The corrosion goes deep. Okay, I've updated the schematic. Let's verify the measurements again.
Run the scanner over Section 4 again. We're getting a void behind that plate.
The hull damage is more extensive here than we initially thought. Structural integrity is compromised.
All right, men, easy now. Lower it steady. Watch the starboard side. Bring it down easy on the starboard side. Watch the gap. Hold it steady. All right, bring it down slow. Watch your spacing. Easy now. Hold it right there. We need to rivet this section.
Lower it another 5 centimeters. Quadrant adjustment required on the starboard side. Copy that. Adjusting pressure now. Securing the clamps. Check the tolerance on this weld right here. Make sure it matches the specs.
Okay, easy now. Bring that segment down 50 centimeters. Watch the alignment on frame 42. Looks good, hold it there.
Bring it up 20 feet and hold it there. Watch the alignment on the far side.
Easy with the lift, bring her about 20 degrees port. All right, lowering now. Welders stand by.
Reroute the primary controls to this panel here. Understood. We'll bypass the damaged section.
Test sequence complete, all green.
Roger that. Bringing her down.
Alignment check complete on this section.
Data looks solid. Let's move to the next point.
This flange is completely compromised. The corrosion rate is accelerating.
Agreed. We can't pressurize until this section is replaced.
Keep it coming up slow. We're tight on the starboard pipe. Lower it 5 centimeters. Watch the port side alignment. Laser grid is solid. We have alignment. Watch the conduit on the left. Bring it up. All right, steady now.
Increasing throttle to 20%. Monitor the vibration dampeners. Dampeners holding steady. Power output stabilizing. Clear the deck below.
Raising the load now. Watch your spacing.
This section of the framework looks solid. The restoration is holding up well.
Yes, the specs on the tablet confirm it. Let's move to the next quadrant.
Watch the clearance on the main barrel. Bring it down slowly. Calibration sequence initiated. Power levels stable. Approaching final alignment sequence. Monitor stabilization on the main array. Confirmed. Stabilization holding at 0.01. Systems are fully aligned.